Hi there, my name is Mariah Young. I am the First Impressions Director with 48 Days DISC team. Today, you are going to embark on taking the DISC assessment. I'm very excited for you. This is an excellent tool for more self-awareness and how to work with those around you. So just a quick little tip on how to take this test. So really, the mindset of what you take this in is the most important thing. So what I like to say is to take this in the mindset of where you are most often. Now, for a lot of us, that is work. However, if you find that you are a different person at work than you are at home, that happens. Our roles are different in different places. I would say go ahead and focus more on work. And this is a beautiful tool that will help you to understand why you're different at work versus at home as well. So this is really great for that. So go ahead and do it from that mindset. The next thing to think through is answering the questions. What we find is that most people know which one is them much more quickly. Which one is not them can be a little bit difficult because sometimes the questions will be something like, kind. And between the 4 items that it has put, kind might actually be what you are least in that list. What I like to do is think of a person in my head who embodies that particular characteristic. For me, kind is my mom. My mom is the kindest person you will ever meet. However, she always unfortunately gets walked over a lot because she's so kind. I am not that way at all. It does not mean that I am not kind either. It just means out of those characteristics, there will be 4 typically, that is the least like me. Now, we are actually all of the personalities to some extent. We just have things that we are stronger in and things that we are just like, yeah, when I really look at that from like thinking about that person, that's not me at all. So I hope this helps. If you're stuck on something, just do what's most like you and what's most not like you. It does not mean you are saying you are not that thing. If you're not putting kind as one of your items, it does not mean that you're not kind. So I hope that helps. Of course, if you have questions, please just let Veronica know, and I am happy to answer those for you. I look forward to meeting with you online in person very soon. All right. Have a great day. Bye.